What's up, guys? So, today we're looking into the Topstep challenge. Here we are. This is Topstep's platform. We're in the combine. I bought the 50K combine to check it out. Day one, up $972. Um, so let's refresh this because I just bought this account like 10, 20 minutes ago. Um, Alright, yeah, maybe nothing's showing up because today's the first day. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to, maybe post a challenge, top step challenge video. This is day one. Um, Hopefully we can see a day two, day three, day four on this. If you guys are interested in content like this, want to see me pass this challenge, drop a like, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Um, but I can show you just today. This is what we're up. $972. So technically, the challenge is 3,000. We're 1/3 of the way there. So let's see if we can get there in the next 5 business days. Today's July 17th, 2025. It's a Thursday. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I just wanted to post this, and I think tomorrow when I do this, I'll be doing live trading. I do live trading on my options account, but I'll do like a recorded trading video for me getting profits. Alright, later.